Travel Town Ultimate Guide, Best Tips and Tricks for Beginners. In this video, I'll provide the ultimate guide for beginners in Travel Town.
So, to get started, the first step is to complete your daily tasks. These will reward you with essential resources like coins and gems, which are key to upgrading your buildings. Next, focus on upgrading your buildings early. The jewelry stall and coffee shop are vital for generating resources quickly, which helps you grow your town faster. Keep an eye on events and promotions, as these offer great rewards such as gems, coins, and special items. Another tip is to manage your energy wisely. Use it on high reward tasks and avoid wasting it on low value activities. Additionally, make sure to log in daily to collect your login bonuses, which can include extra resources. Finally, trade in the market to get rid of surplus items and exchange them for valuable resources. Don't forget to help your friends by completing tasks in their towns for extra rewards. And that is the ultimate guide for beginners and Travel Town.